Hey guys, computertastic here with another unboxing. This one is the LaCie rugged mini 4TB external hard drive. It's got a USB 3.0 and USB-C cable built into it. So this is shock resistant, waterproof. Apparently it can hold 1 ton worth of weight, and it comes with a USB-C cable. So I bought this to expand out my hard drive so I can store more stuff, and so that I can upgrade my Xbox external storage that's full. So let's get into this unboxing. Good thing it's rugged. Okay, so there's a little seal on the back. Gotta get rid of that. Okay, we got the hard drive itself, which, yeah, that is quite heavy. And if you don't want it, you can take off the plastic sheeting. Nice metal hard drive. It's got a lot of weight to it, which is nice. And then we have the USB-C cable. Pretty nice. And if that's not good enough, you got the regular USB 3.0 cable. And instructions that won't ever use. And that's basically it. Pretty basic, just like a external hard drive usually is. But yeah, that's the unboxing. And hope you guys like this video. Remember, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I am computertastic. Hope you guys have a wonderful day as always. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.